Part 2.
Here.
Okay. All the screws are going into my pocket.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Up on the ground. Where are you going?
Every time I show up, you guys do something semi-dangerous.
You missed what we did while you were gone.
Exactly.
Let's check it out, see if it works. Okay, okay. That works over there. Let's make it a little bit longer. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
You are not in the...
Hello. On there.
Filip, jesi pomagao tati?
We did it, Philip. We did it.
We did.
You just have to hang the curtains
We
now.
still have to do the curtains, but hard part's over. Mission's complete.
Commission complete. Commission complete.
Commission is complete. The mission is complete. We got the job done.
We got
Not
the
yet.
Oh, not yet. We still gotta finish this. You gotta put these up, Philip.
And put the tools away.
And put the tools away. Clean up.
Clean
Alright.
Clean up. Clean up.
Clean up.
Clean up. Clean up.
Put this in my pocket.
In my pocket.
Put it in my pocket. Perfect.
Okay. So you do miss. So you do. And it's in your pocket.
These stay here, okay?
Ej, Filip, ko ti je kupio tu pidžamu?
Nana.
Nana.
Imagine Kiki Bonbon. Kiki Bonbon.
Čula te Nana, sad drugi put kad ti bude nešto slala, kaže joj Nana, molim te pošalji mi Kiki bombona. Reci joj u kameru pa ću joj poslati ja. Reci joj Nana, molim te pošalji mi Kiki bombona.
Molim te, Nana, pošalji mi Kiki Bonbona.
Pošalji joj pusu jednu. A Didi jednu pusu? Okej. Pitaj Didu, možda ti i Dida pošalje vrećicu.
Dida, pošalji mi vrećicu.
Kiki bombona.
Kiki Bonbona.
Evo snimala sam te, vidiš šta tata